In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your OneDrive free storage and manage your files step by step. 2055. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your storage details, how to safely clean up space, and how to recover files if you change your mind. Start by opening OneDrive in your desktop browser. Using the web interface keeps everything consistent across devices and makes the storage tools easy to find. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use both personal and work or school accounts, so the storage numbers you see are accurate for the files you care about. Next, look to the top bar and click the Settings gear icon. This opens your account and app controls. From there, select Options, and then choose Manage Storage from the left sidebar. You'll land on a page that summarizes your OneDrive usage. Here, you can clearly see your total used storage and the remaining available space. This view helps you quickly gauge whether you're comfortably within your limit or getting close to your cap. Keep in mind that large videos, high-resolution photos, and archived files tend to use the most space, and shared items you've added to your OneDrive may count toward your quota. If you need to free up space, navigate back to My Files using the left sidebar. This is where all your folders and documents live. As you review your content, consider whether you still need older versions, duplicates, or large media files. When you find something you no longer need, hover over the file to reveal quick actions and click Delete, or right-click the item and choose Delete. Don't worry, deleting here sends the item to your recycle bin first, so it's easy to undo if you made a mistake. If you want to recover something you removed, click Recycle Bin in the left sidebar. You'll see recently deleted files and folders listed there. Select the item you want back and restore it to its original location. This safety net helps you clean confidently, knowing you can reverse a deletion if needed. And if you discover that you consistently need more room, click Get More Storage to explore upgrade options. You'll see plans and add-ons that match different storage needs, so you can choose what fits your workflow without constantly juggling files. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.